I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer funds from Payoneer to PayPal, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Link your Payoneer account to PayPal. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Go to the Wallet section and click on Link a Bank Account. Here, you can enter your Payoneer account details. Step 2. Verify your Payoneer account. PayPal may require verification of your Payoneer account. Check your email for a confirmation link from PayPal and follow the instructions to verify your account. Step 3. Transfer funds to your Payoneer account. Once your accounts are linked, log into your Payoneer account. Navigate to the Withdraw section and select a bank account. Choose the amount you want to transfer to PayPal. Step 4. Wait for processing. After initiating the transfer, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your PayPal account. Keep an eye on both accounts for updates. Step 5. Confirm receipt in PayPal. Once the funds have transferred, log back into your PayPal account to confirm that the money has arrived. If you don't see it, check your Payoneer account for any issues. If you follow these steps, you should be able to transfer your funds without any hassle. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for the other service. Happy transferring!